To edit images like this, here's what you need to do. Inside ChatGPT, select and upload your desired image. Now for the prompt, we're just gonna go with a simple one. We're just gonna simply ask ChatGPT to remove the people in the background of our photo. I am also asking ChatGPT to ensure that all the details, all the persons, our main subject, to remain intact and identical to the one that we have uploaded. It is important to be specific with your prompt so that ChatGPT could generate it the way that you want. Okay, now let's wait for ChatGPT. And look at that, in just seconds, ChatGPT generated our edited image. Now I'm gonna show you our initial photo for comparison. I got this one from Pinterest, so credits to the owner. Now let's get back to our final photo. You could see that the main subject is alone in the photo now, whereas in the initial photo there were people in the background. ChatGPT really did a great job editing this photo because it looks natural and it looks so much like our initial photo. Alright, so now you know how to edit images like these. Watch this playlist to get more image prompt ideas.